Okay, Zach, go ahead and go up.
You guys should switch to channel 10.
10-4.
10.
You on channel 10, Zach?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and go down. Do that again.
You want me to go up?
Yeah, go ahead and go up. Go ahead and go down. Go ahead and go back up. Go ahead and go back down. Go ahead and go back up. Go ahead and go back down. Go ahead and go back down. Go ahead and go back up. Go ahead and go back down. Let's switch spots and have you come in here too. There's hearing a bunch of different noises, and it looks like it's all like the upper cabinets shifting. Yeah, that was a lot. Actually, can you go back up and down again one more time? I'm going to look in the bathroom area. Go ahead and go back down. Can you do that again for me? Go ahead and do it again. Go ahead and do it again. Yeah, you can see like visually. Go ahead and do it again. Go ahead and do it again. Okay, let's switch spots so that you can see what I'm seeing and hearing.